Hi students, this is your Professor K from MWell Education. So let's start the lecture. And in this lecture, I am going to consider two more examples. Example number 5 and 6. Yeah, how to balance unbalanced chemical equation. So sometimes you are given with the word equation and you have to convert the word equation into the chemical equation by crisscross method. If you know the crisscross method, that's okay. Otherwise, if you know the symbols directly, then it will be fine. I will upload the videos on the crisscross method, how to find out the chemical formula from the words, but I will upload it for the ninth class in the future. But here I am going to write down the chemical equation directly. So copper chloride, it is AlCl3. It will gives you aluminium chloride. Okay, sorry, copper chloride. Copper is CuCl2. Aluminium chloride is AlCl3. Aluminium chloride plus copper Cu. Sorry. So this will be your chemical equation. Now you have to apply these rules. So there is no polyatomic kind of thing. I can skip this. So metals, yeah, we are having metal, aluminium, copper, that's it. So aluminium comes first, then copper, remember it. Okay, so here in the rough work I will write reactant product. Okay, so next step, non-metals, yes, chlorine. Okay, then no hydrogen, no oxygen, and this will be the end step as I told in the previous lecture. Okay, so aluminium 1 1, because 1 in the reactant side, 1 on the product side. Copper 1 1, okay, that's fine. Chlorine 2, but here 3. So we have to update the equation. We will multiply this 2 by 3 by 2 so that we can make this 2 as 3. So I will add 3 by 2 here. Okay, you have to make this 2 3, so you will multiply with 3 by 2. So you will add 3 by 2 here. Al plus 3 by 2 CuCl2, because 3 by 2 into 2 will give us 3. AlCl3 plus copper Cu. So that's fine. Now you are thinking that here this is a fraction and there should be no fraction in the final updated equation, and you will multiply this equation by 2, but not now. Firstly, check out the atoms again, then we will move to this step. This is the biggest mistake that the students do during balancing. Firstly check, because sometimes I am saying, if you have, this will be the best example for the statement which I was giving previously. So you have balanced Cl, and it can happen it will unbalance this or this or these two. Okay, so now you can check. Al1 1, it is not unbalanced, it is still okay. But copper 3 by 2 on the reactant side, but on the product side it is 1. Now you can check what I was saying, that is applied here. Okay, so 3 by 2 1. So then again I have to update this equation for copper. If this is 3 by 2, this is 1, you have to make this one 3 by 2. How you will multiply this one by 3 by 2 means you will add 3 by 2 here in the front of copper. So you will update the equation. Al plus 3 by 2 CuCl2, it will give you AlCl3 plus 3 by 2 Cu, that's it. So you will add 3 by 2 here. Now again you have to check the equation from the very starting. This is the very important rule. You have to move in the very starting. Now you can check Al1 1 1 1, Cu 3 by 2, okay, that's fine. 3 by 2 3 by 2, okay. Now for chlorine, chlorine is 3 by 2 into 2 3, and here in this case chlorine is 3. Now I can say this is a balanced chemical equation, but you have to apply this step. And now apply, multiply this equation by, multiply the whole equation by 2. So you will get 2 into Al plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2, you will only get 3. 3 CuCl2, it will give you 3 Cu, now 2 here, sorry, 2 AlCl3 plus again 2 into 3 by 2, you will get 3 Cu. Now I can say that this is my balanced chemical equation. Note down. Again check out, please. I am again repeating, and again I am repeating again and again. So in that, please check. What goes in checking the number of atoms? Nothing. So please check. Al2 2, yes, reactant side 2, product side 2, Cu 3, yeah, 3, that's fine. Chlorine 3 into 2 6, 2 into 3, because this is Cl 6. And please, sorry if you are not understanding my writing, but I am speaking while I am saying this is Cl, so you have to understand it as here. Okay, thank you. So I think now, this is a balanced chemical equation. Don't I think so? This is, yes, I am confirmed, this is the balanced chemical equation. Okay, so let's move to the next example, example number 6. This time we are directly given with the chemical equations. Okay, so C4H10 plus O2 gives you CO2 plus H2O. Okay, so now you have to consider this step, because there is no polyatomic type of thing, so you can skip this step. Let's move to the metals. Yeah, no metals, then non-metals except hydrogen, oxygen, C. Yeah, I will place C in the category of non-metal here. Okay, so then comes H, hydrogen, then comes oxygen, and this step will be verified in the end if we have to apply this. Okay, so this will be your table which you have to update again and again, again and again. Okay, so firstly C. How many C's are there? 4. How many C's are there? 1. On the right hand side 4, 1. So you have to make this one 4. So you will add 4 here in the front. So I will update the equation. C4H10 plus O2. It will give you 4CO2 plus H2O. Okay. Now H 10. Okay. Reactant side 10. Product side we are having only 2H. So you have to make this 2 as 10 by multiplying with 5. So you will add 5 here. So C4H10 plus O2. It will give you 4CO2 plus 5H2O. Now you have to verify the equation from the very starting. Even C, because I am saying sometimes balancing, when we try to balance this will get unbalanced. It happens as you have seen in this case. Okay, so C 4 here and 4 here, so that's okay. H10 here and 5 into 2 10 here. Now oxygen 2, yeah, here 4 into 2 8, because this is also oxygen. 4 into 2 8. Okay, and 5 here, because this 5 also belongs to this. So 8 plus 5. In the same reactant we use into, but in the different reactants we will use addition. So 8 plus 5 13. So okay, so this is my duster, my hand is my duster. Okay, so 13. Yeah, so I have to make this to 13. This I have to convert this to into 13. What to do? I will multiply by 13 by 2, means I will add 13 by 2 here in the front. Okay, so yes, so let's add 13 by 2 in the front. Let's update the equation. C4H10 plus 13 by 2 O2 gives you 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O. Now what to do? Now we have to use this step? No, not yet. Firstly again check out the number of atoms. Sometimes during the balancing of this can change the atoms of the upper ones. Okay, so C, how many C's? 4. Okay, how many H? 10. So that's again fine. 5 into 2 10. Oxygen 13 by 2 into 2 13, and here 4 into 2 8 plus 5 13. Yeah, now that's right. So now we can use this step. We have to multiply the equation by 2, so it will updated as 2C4H10, 2 into 13 by 2, only 13 will remain. 13O2 will give you 2 into 4 8, because we have to multiply whole equation, each and every reactant and product by 2. 2 into 4 8 CO2 plus 5, this is 5 into 2 10 H2O. So now this is my updated balanced chemical equation. So that's all for this lecture. I hope you are understanding me. You are understanding the way with which I am teaching. So if you are liking us, please subscribe us. This is your Professor K from MWell Education. Thank you.